Hey everyone! Today we're diving into something that's been blowing up on Instagram lately, the Cult Neo Labubu toys. Are they the next big collectible or is this a full-blown scam? Let's find out. So, if you've been scrolling through Instagram or TikTok, you've probably seen Cult Neo's posts. They're flaunting limited edition Labubu toys, trendy hoodies, and some really fancy global accessories. Their website looks clean, professional, and honestly, pretty convincing. Prices? $45 for a blind box and full sets hitting $270. On the surface, it all screams exclusive collector's dream. But here's the catch. Labubu figures are actually made by Pop Mart, a well-known and trusted toy brand from Hong Kong. Cult Neo? There's no official partnership with Pop Mart. What they are doing is using Pop Mart's exact product photos and branding, which is a massive red flag. Either they're selling fakes or they're listing products they don't even have. Digging a little deeper, the website was just registered in June 2025. The domain owner is hidden and there are no outside reviews, just the content Cult Neo posts themselves. Their marketing is super aggressive too. You'll see countdown timers, only 3 left messages, and endless ads across Instagram and TikTok. Classic pressure tactics. Reddit users are already sharing experiences. Some did get their orders, but the toys often weren't as described. Others never received anything and had fake tracking numbers. Customer support? Basically non-existent, leaving people to fight charges through their bank. There's even a slang term emerging, Lufu, which means fake Labubu. So, polished website or not, all the signs point towards shady practices. If you really want authentic Labubu figures, stick to Pop Mart directly or verified resellers. Don't let slick marketing trick you into paying hundreds for a maybe. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay smart and happy collecting.